this chart is for shares in BP. BP had a huge fall in share price after the Macondo well blowout. Since then, it put in a low, and we've been able to draw an ascending support line or buy line by connecting all of the lows. Only really once as the market traded underneath it. When it did, it got straight back on top of it and started respecting that buy line again. And we are just closing on that buy line. So that would be a very good buy according to the buy line. However, this is where the worlds sort of collide between technical analysis because that buy line is telling you to buy, but there is a little issue here, and there is reason to suggest that we may fall a little bit on BP, and that line might not quite hold. The reason is because we have what is developed as a price gap. So if we investigate this a little further, because you can see that that is a beautiful chart on that ascending byline. And then you see this big gaping gap that is still unfilled. The price sort of broke upwards, so that was a breakaway gap. However, it come back down to test the top of the gap, which can often provide support. You've got the gap here and the gap here as well, pretty much looking like an island reversal there. But the price has come down. It could well just go up now. Now it's tested the top of that gap. That gap might get left open for some time. However, the price could come down and fill that gap and hold support on this line. That would mean breaking a long-term trend line. So you really do need to weigh up the pros and cons of not trading this buy line, the ascending buy line. But there is a gap, and that may make a few traders a little bit nervous about buying on that ascending buy line. But there is a good chance that BP could well go upwards from here.